Florida, the Sunshine State. Known for its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and vibrant culture, Florida is a paradise for many. From the bustling streets of Miami to the serene shores of the Gulf Coast, this state offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban excitement. Known for its beaches, its theme parks, and its vibrant culture, millions flock here every year to experience the magic of Disney World, the thrill of Universal Studios, and the laid-back vibes of its coastal towns. But there's more to Florida than meets the eye. But beneath the surface, a geological mystery is unfolding. The very ground beneath Florida's iconic coastline is shifting, revealing secrets that have been hidden for millennia. The very ground beneath Florida's iconic coastline is shifting. This isn't just a slow, imperceptible change, it's a dynamic process that is reshaping the landscape in real time. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Researchers are now racing against time to understand the forces driving these changes, and what they mean for the future of the region. It has raised urgent questions about the future of this vulnerable region. How will these changes impact the millions of people who live along the coast? What can be done to mitigate the effects of this shifting landscape? Geologists are racing to understand the forces at play. They are conducting field studies, analyzing rock samples, and using advanced technology to map the changes in the landscape. They are studying the complex interplay of rising sea levels, eroding coastlines, and the unique geology of the Florida Peninsula. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle, helping to build a clearer picture of what is happening beneath our feet. What they are discovering is a story of change, a story written in the very rocks beneath our feet. These rocks hold the history of the Earth, and they are now revealing a new chapter in Florida's geological story. This is not science fiction, this is a real-time drama unfolding on a massive scale. The changes we are witnessing are happening now, and they are having a profound impact on the landscape and the people who call this place home. This is a real-time drama unfolding on a massive scale. The coastline is changing before our eyes, and the implications are far-reaching. From the loss of property to the displacement of communities, the stakes are incredibly high. The stakes are high as millions of Floridians call this dynamic coastline home. Families, businesses, and entire communities are at risk. The need for action has never been more urgent. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of Florida's shifting landscape and explore the profound implications for the future. Together, we will uncover the secrets of this ever-changing land and learn what can be done to protect it for generations to come. Imagine a slow, almost imperceptible sinking feeling. It's not something you would notice immediately, but over time, the effects become undeniable. That's the reality for parts of Florida's coastline, where the ground is slowly subsiding. This gradual sinking is causing significant changes to the landscape. Subsidence, the gradual sinking of the Earth's surface, is a natural process. However, in Florida, this natural process is being accelerated by various factors. Human activities such as construction and urban development are contributing to the problem. The weight of buildings and infrastructure can press down on the land, causing it to sink faster. In Florida, the problem is exacerbated by the state's unique geology. The land here is particularly vulnerable due to its composition. Much of Florida sits on a bed of porous limestone, a rock susceptible to erosion and dissolution. This makes the ground unstable and prone to sinking. As groundwater is pumped out for various uses, the limestone can compact, leading to subsidence. This extraction of water is a major factor in the sinking ground. The effects of subsidence are already being felt. Buildings are cracking, and the structural integrity of many constructions is being compromised. Roads are flooding more frequently, making transportation difficult and dangerous. Seawalls, which are meant to protect the coast, are crumbling under the pressure. And the problem is only expected to worsen as sea levels continue to rise. The combination of subsidence and rising seas poses a significant threat to Florida's coastal regions. The tragic collapse of the Champlain Towers South Condo building in Surfside, Florida, in 2021 sent shockwaves throughout the state and beyond. The sudden and catastrophic failure of the building not only claimed many lives, but also left a lasting impact on the community. Families were torn apart, and the sense of loss was palpable. While the exact causes of the collapse are still under investigation, the disaster served as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of coastal structures. Coastal buildings, often exposed to harsh environmental conditions, face unique challenges that can compromise their integrity over time. The disaster also brought the issue of coastal subsidence into sharp focus. Coastal subsidence, a gradual sinking of land, can exacerbate the risks faced by buildings in these areas. This phenomenon, combined with rising sea levels and increased storm activity, poses a significant threat. While subsidence was not determined to be the primary cause of the Surfside collapse, it raised questions about the structural integrity of other buildings along Florida's coast. Engineers and inspectors have since been called to reassess the safety of numerous structures, ensuring they meet current standards. The Surfside tragedy underscored the need for proactive measures to address the challenges of coastal living. Community meetings and disaster preparedness seminars have become more frequent, aiming to educate residents on the risks and necessary precautions. It highlighted the importance of regular building inspections, stricter building codes, and the implementation of more rigorous safety protocols. Ensuring that buildings are constructed and maintained to withstand the unique pressures of coastal environments is crucial, and a deeper understanding of the geological forces at play. By studying the geological formations and the behavior of the land, experts hope to develop better strategies to protect coastal communities from future tragedies. While the present and future of Florida's coastline are uncertain, the past offers intriguing clues. The discovery of a prehistoric land bridge connecting Florida to Texas has shed new light on the region's ancient history. This land bridge, submerged beneath the Gulf of Mexico for thousands of years, allowed animals to migrate freely between the two landmasses. The discovery of fossils of extinct creatures like the Homotherium, a saber-toothed cat, provides evidence of this ancient connection. This discovery reminds us that the Earth is a dynamic planet. Landmasses shift, sea levels rise and fall, and life finds a way. By studying the past, we can gain valuable insights into the present and future of our planet. The rate of subsidence in some areas of Florida is alarming, says Dr. Harold Wanless, a renowned geologist at the University of Miami. We're seeing rates of sinking that are unprecedented in human history. These sentiments are echoed by Dr. Szymon Wodowiński, an associate professor of marine geology and geophysics at Florida International University. The combination of subsidence and sea level rise is a double whammy for Florida's coast, he warns. We need to take action now to mitigate the risks. These experts emphasize that while natural processes are at play, human activities are exacerbating the problem. Excessive groundwater pumping, oil and gas extraction, and even the weight of coastal development can contribute to subsidence. The challenges facing Florida's coast are significant, but they are not insurmountable. Local authorities are taking steps to address subsidence and protect coastal communities. Building codes are being updated to account for the effects of subsidence and sea level rise. Seawalls are being reinforced or rebuilt, and communities are exploring innovative solutions, such as elevating buildings and restoring natural shorelines to buffer against erosion. These efforts require collaboration between scientists, engineers, policymakers, and residents. By working together, Floridians can build a more resilient future for their coastal communities. The story of Florida's shifting landscape is still being written. Continued research is crucial to understanding the complex interplay of geological forces shaping the state's future. Scientists are using cutting-edge technology such as LiDAR, light detection and ranging, and satellite imagery to monitor subsidence and erosion patterns. They are also studying the impact of climate change on sea levels and storm surge. This research is not merely academic. It is essential for informing policy decisions, guiding development, and protecting the lives and livelihoods of millions of Floridians. By continuing to invest in research, we can ensure a safer and more sustainable future for Florida's iconic coastline.